Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online classes. Today we are going to see sum number 12 from the exercise. ABC are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:3. 2. A, B, C. Their profit sharing ratios 4:3:2. And B retires from the firm. We are supposed to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of A and C under following cases. So case number 1 is if B gives a share to A and C in their original ratio. Okay, so original ratio of A and C is 4:2, which is 2:1. So B is going to give its share to A and C in their original ratio itself. So how much A acquires? So B share acquired by A. So what is B share? It is 3/9 or 1/3. So out of 1/3, A is going to get 2/3. So share acquired by A from B is 2/9. Same way, B share acquired by C is out of this 1/3, C should get 1/3. So 1/9. Now we'll determine the new share of A and C. A's new share is equal to old share plus what they acquired from B. Okay. So old share 4/9 and what A acquired from B is 2/9. So 6/9. And C's new share is equal to 2/9 plus here he gets 1/9 from B. So 3/9. So the new profit sharing ratio of A and C is equal to 6/9 is to 3/9, otherwise 6:3 or 2:1. Okay. Now case B. If B gives his share to A and C in equal proportion. So B gives in equal proportion. Okay. So it is divided among A and C equally. So A's and C's. Out of 1/3, A should get half, and out of 1/3, C should also get half. So they both will get 1/6 and 1/6. Now we'll calculate the new share of A and B. Okay. So new share of A is old share plus the share acquired. Old share is 4/9 and the share acquired from B is 1/6. (11/18). Now C's new share. Old share is 2/9. The share acquired from B is 1/6. So 7/18. So the new share of A and C is 11:7. Now we'll see case C. In case C, B gives a share to A and C in the ratio of 3:1. So B gives in the ratio of 3:1. Okay. So now how much A should acquire? Out of 1/3, which is B's share, A should get 3/4. So 3/12 is the gain of A. And C, out of 1/3, which is B share, C should get 1/4. So 1/12. Now we'll calculate the new share of A. A's old share is 4/9, and the share he acquired from B now is 3/12. Okay. So next C. C's old share is 2/9, and what he acquired now from B is 1/12. So it is 11/36. So now the new profit sharing ratio of A and C is equal to 25/36, 11/36, which is 25:11. Okay. Now we'll see case D. If B gives his share to A only, so B gives his share to A alone, not to C. Share only to A. Okay. So what is A's new share now? We can directly calculate this. Old share 4/9 plus how much he is acquiring from B. B's 1/3 is completely given to A. Okay. So 1/3, 9. So 7/9 is the new ratio of A. C's share will be the same. Okay. C's share will remain the same because there is no acquisition of B's share by C. So it remains the same. Thus, the new profit sharing ratio here in this case of A and C is equal to 7/9, the new share of A, and the C share is going to be the same. So 2/9. So 7:2 is the new profit sharing ratio of A and C. So this is how we have to determine the new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio of the existing partners on a partner's retirement. Thank you.